First question is, the procedure of impeachment of the President of India is a. Judicial procedure, b. Quasi-judicial procedure, c. Legislative procedure, d. Executive procedure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second question is, the first health minister of independent India was a. Jawaharlal Nehru, b. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, c. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, d. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third question is, which of the following are the powers of the Supreme Court? A. Original and appellate jurisdiction, b. Appointment of ad hoc judges, c. Judicial review, d. All of the above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth question is, which fundamental rights cannot be suspended even during an emergency? A. Right to speech, b. Right to religion, c. Right to equality, d. Right to life and personal liberty. Fifth question is, motion of thanks is addressed to a. Prime Minister, b. Speaker of Parliament, c. President, d. Leader of Opposition. Sixth question is, which state first adopted the Panchayati Raj in India in 1959? A. Rajasthan, b. Karnataka, c. Gujarat, d. Punjab. Seventh question is, who decides whether a bill is money bill or not? A. President, b. Prime Minister, c. Speaker of Lok Sabha, d. Speaker of Rajya Sabha. Eighth question is, all doubts and disputes in connection with the election of President are inquired into and decided by a. The Election Commission, b. The Supreme Court, c. The Parliament, d. President. Ninth question is, who called the Indian federalism as cooperative federalism? A. Gostin, b. K.C. Ware, c. Sir Ivor Jennings, d. D. Basu. 10th question is, who was the President of India at the time of emergency in 1975? A. Zail Singh, b. V. Giri, c. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, d. Shankar Dayal Sharma. Eleventh question is, Article 32 belongs to which part of the Indian Constitution? A. Part 2, b. Part 1, c. Part 3, d. Part 4. Twelfth question is, in India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from a. The French Constitution, b. The Swiss Constitution, c. The Constitution of USA, d. The British Constitution. Thirteenth question is, which of the following provision needs a special majority in Parliament? A. Change in fundamental rights, b. Creation of new states, C. Abolition of legislative councils in state. D. Rules and procedures in parliament. Fourteenth question is, Controller and Auditor General of India is appointed for how many years? A. 2. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. Fifteenth question is, the Chairman of the Public Accounts Committee of Parliament is appointed by A. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. B. Prime Minister of India. C. President of India. D. Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Sixteenth question is, who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. B.N. Rao. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Seventeenth question is, right to form cooperative societies was incorporated in the Indian Constitution by which of the following Constitutional Amendment Act? A. 42nd Amendment Act, 1976. B. 97th Constitutional Amendment Act, 2011. C. 86th Amendment Act, 2002. D. 94th Constitutional Amendment Act, 2006. Eighteenth question is, who among the following did the work of writing the original Constitution of India in italic style? A. Vasant Krishna Vaidya. B. L.N. Mukherjee. C. Prem Bihari Naren Raizada. D. Nandlal Bose. Nineteenth question is, joint session of the two houses of parliament is chaired by A. President. B. Vice President. C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. D. Prime Minister. Next question is, India has taken the concept of judicial review from which country's constitution? A. United States. B. United Kingdom. C. Canada. D. Ireland. Last question is, which of the following is the constitutional body? A. National Child Rights Protection Commission. B. National Women Commission. C. National Minorities Commission. D. National Commission for Scheduled Castes.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe.